Hi, my name is Shane and I'm a Dyson expert, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the 360 Heurist robot vacuum. So this is the box here. It simply opens up on top, and on top you'll find your machine. So we can remove that there. So this is what it looks like. It comes in a really nice blue colour. So we'll place that to the side. You'll find a tray underneath that contains the docking station and the charger for the machine. So this is your docking station here. So really slim, really compact, really easy to place in the home. It's not going to take up too much space. So this is where your robot is going to sit and charge on. Here is the charger for the docking station. So with the charger, you can plug it into either the right hand side or the left hand side of the dock. So either here or here on the docking station. So we'll plug that in. So that's now connected and ready to go. And then finally you'll find your instruction manuals and warranty information at the bottom of the box. We do have additional videos on how to set up and connect your 360 Heurist, and there's also additional information available on dyson.ie. You can also leave a comment down below using the hashtag AskADysonExpert.